how to find who can send messages in group settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can send messages on in group settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find select any group you want like this one, and then click on group profile and scroll down. You will find group settings, click on it and click send messages, and here we can manage it. We can make only admins can send messages or all participants, and that's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.